What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install IntelliJ IDE to your computer. First of all, open your Google browser and type IntelliJ and click enter. First link, click the link in the description below, download, and today I'm going to show you guys the free version. So this is the paid version with a free 30-day trial. So just scroll down and you will come to the community edition which is totally free. Click download or it automatically selects the version by accessing your computer. So just click download and there you go, the downloading is happening. So I'm going to close this because I have downloaded the file prior to this video. So I'm going to cancel it. Now go to your folder where you have downloaded the IDE installer and double click on it. Now open. It will ask for administrative privileges. Click yes. Click next. And this is the place where the destination folder, that means the folder, is installed. So you can change it, but I am not recommending to change it. Then click next. So I'm going to create a desktop shortcut and add folder as project. That means that if you create a Java project around here or somewhere like a folder, just you can right click and ask it to be run, ask it to be opened as a project in IntelliJ. So I'm going to click it, create association. So I'm going to click Java. There are Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin, and I'm going to click Kotlin and Gradle, and I'm going to add the bin folder, which will be automatically added to your system variables. Click next, and then this is the folder that we are going to create. That means JetBrains. Then click next. Now as you can see, the desktop icon is created and it will take around like a minute or two according to your computer power. Click reboot now, or click I recommend clicking reboot now because it will add all the data to the system variables and all. And then click finish. After rebooting, you can open the IntelliJ IDEA community version. So click I have read and accept the terms and conditions. Then click continue. Data sharing, I usually click don't send. Import settings, I click UI and everything are imported from the Visual Studio Code. Click import settings, not recent projects by the way, and all the plugins and all I'm going to install. Then click import. If not, you can just go directly by not importing, to skipping that part, but by importing you just get all the plugins and all downloaded to your IDE automatically, which are in the Visual Studio Code. And there we go. Okay, now I'm going to create a simple Java project. Click new project. Name it as, I'm going to change the location where the project is being created. And under that, I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to click create. Okay, now for a startup, I think they have automatically created a project, but I'm going to delete this part, and I'm only going to use this word. Now I'm going to run it by click run here, or you can right click on it and click run. I'm going to, and there we go. Hello world is printed in the terminal. And just change anything like into your name or something. Run. It will run the main method in your Java project. There we go. Hello world. This is cyberspace. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys for another video.